My name is Stefano Luzzatto. I am a research scientist at the Abdus Salam International Center for Theoretical Physics in Italy, named after the late Pakistani physicist and Nobel Prize Abdus Salam. And I'm the International Scientific Coordinator of the International Mathematics Master. And I'm here today to explain a little bit some features of this program. So the IMM was launched in 2019, hosted by Comsats University Islamabad in Lahore campus. It has therefore been going on for almost 4 years now and has had an extraordinarily successful beginning. Almost all the students who graduated from the IMM have been accepted with fellowships in international further postgraduate programs abroad in Europe and the US. So what is as part of the policy of the ICTP to broaden the access to the IMM and to work with different institutions. As of September 2023, the IMM will move and will be hosted by the Lahore University of Management Sciences, also in Lahore, for the next several years. So I would like to say a little bit about how the program is organized and what it consists of. So there are three fundamental points to make. So first of all, this is a full 2-year master's program of the highest academic level. The teaching will be carried out by small teams of teachers for each course, consisting of one local faculty from LUMS and at least 2 international faculty coming from the prestigious universities worldwide who are very involved in research. These prestigious faculty will be visiting LUMS for 2 or 3 weeks at a time, and will be therefore interacting live and in person with the students, and will be fully involved with all the planning and the teaching of the course and the tutorials. So they will not just be symbolic visits, but they really will be fully involved in the teaching and will get to know the students just as well as the local faculty will get to know the students. They will also be supervisors of the thesis of the students. So the students will have the opportunity to work very closely with the international faculty. So this is really why it is called an International Mathematics Master, because it is really about a cooperation between local Pakistani faculty and international professors of the highest level who will work together to set up this master's. In this sense, therefore, it is a very elite program. It will only take about 10 to 15 students every intake, every year, many of them Pakistani. There will also be international students from many different countries in the world. And I would say that the level of this program could be described as being competitive with any other master's program, even in Europe and the US, in terms of the level of the teaching and the academic preparation that it will give students for their further studies. So the point number 2, which is a very crucial point for me, is that even though I use the word elite, and I said this is the elite program, I want to be very clear to distinguish it from it being an elitist program, which is not at all. So all the students will be provided with very generous fellowships and accommodation and all the resources they need to study. There will not be any financial obstruction to any student being accepted in the program or following the program. So in that sense, it will be completely accessible, and the entrance exam and the entrance criteria will be completely based on the potential of the students and the background of the students and what we think that they can achieve within the program. And a third very important aspect of the program is that this is not a program that is just a bridge for the students to then move abroad. It is not a program that promotes brain drain from Pakistan, quite the opposite. There is already beginning to set up a IMM, a Student and Alumni Association, And the purpose of this is to continue to keep the community of the IMM alumni in touch with each other. Already this past year, a lot of the previous alumni who are spread in different countries like France, Italy, Ireland, the US, have been supporting the current student in their applications and in many different ways. And the purpose for these alumni is to become a community and eventually to support each other to come back to Pakistan or to go back to their home country in order, or anyway to be involved in this program as they proceed in their career, so that we can see a return of this talent to their home countries to help to contribute to the development of mathematics in Pakistan and in other countries. Throughout the existence of the program, the visits of the international lecturers will be a resource for the country, not just for the local faculty at LUMS, but they can interact and then they can give public lectures and have research collaborations also with other faculty in other universities in Pakistan. So this program is really, and most importantly, a program for the whole of Pakistan, even though it is hosted by LUMS. And I trust that as it grows and develops, it can receive the support of all the faculty and students in Pakistan and can become a significant resource and an energy for the continual growth towards excellence of mathematics in Pakistan. Thank you.